Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Samsung phone not charging problem on any Samsung phone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just check if there is any dust or debris in your charging port. Now, once you do that, then check if the charger of your smartphone is working properly or not. Now, to do that, just open the app drawer, then tap on Samsung Members. Then tap on Diagnostics and select Phone Diagnostics. From here, just tap on Cable Charging. Now, just plug in your charger to your smartphone. Now, it will check if your charger is working properly or not. Now, as you can see, the charger is normal and the charging speed is normal. Now, once you check your charger, just go back, then tap on Battery Status. And from here, just tap on Test Again. Now, it will test the condition of your battery. Now, as you can see, the battery is normal. Now, once you have checked the battery in the charger of your smartphone, and if this did not fix your issue, just open Settings, then go to Battery. From here, just disable all the settings from here. Now, if you have enabled power saving, just disable power saving, battery protection, disable show charging information and fast charging, and disable auto dim screen and show battery percentage. And once you have disabled all these settings, just restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon and select restart. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished restarting. Now just check if your smartphone has started charging or not. Just plug in your smartphone to the charger. Now if your smartphone starts charging, just open settings, then go to battery. Now just enable all the battery settings which we have disabled. Just like that. Now if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your smartphone. Now to do that, just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now just press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time until the screen goes black. Then release both of these buttons. Now once your smartphone finishes force restarting, just plug in your smartphone to the charger and check if your smartphone has started charging or not. Now if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Samsung phone not charging problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.